How to become rich in a single year. Top 10 tips and strategies to grow your wealth. There are many reasons why we need to start thinking about building wealth now. Some of the reasons include: to make sure we can afford things like retirement and healthcare, to be able to have choices in life, including the ability to choose what career path we want, to increase financial security so that if something happens, our family will be able to support themselves instead of being dependent on someone else for help, to have an emergency fund so that if anything happens, financially at least, it is not as difficult as it would have been. Strategy 1. Save more money than you spend. Many people are finding that saving money is an increasingly difficult task. The problem is that the cost of living is constantly increasing, while salaries are not. To combat this, there are a number of strategies that people can use to make it work. One strategy is to spend less than you earn. This means cutting back on certain luxuries or unnecessary spending so that you can save more money than you spend. This also includes living below your means and purchasing things at discounted prices when you can find them. Another strategy for saving more money than you spend is to add an emergency fund to your budget. One way to do this, especially if you have a low income, would be by putting away $5 to $10 each week into a savings account or high-interest CD. Strategy 2. Investing wisely for the future. Investing in the future is a crucial decision. Investors can choose to invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets. While some people choose to invest in stocks because of their high return rates, it is important that investors do not enter into an investment blindly. It is imperative that they take into account the risks associated with that particular investment and then determine which one will work best for them. Strategy 3. Increasing your income by generating more of it. Here is what you need to know. The more hours you spend working, the less profit per hour you will make. The higher your profit margin is, the more profit you will have at the end of each hour worked. For every expense that is incremental, it also takes away from your profit margins, so it's important to plan ahead for these costs. But if you want to make more money without working more hours, then the answer must lie in generating more of it. You can generate additional income by taking on side projects that are in line with your skill set. For instance, if you're a copywriter who's good at writing blog posts about business topics, then blogging is a great side hustle for you. Another way is to create an affiliate site around the topic or niche that you are already knowledgeable about. You'll have to invest some time in building up this site when no one knows who you are yet, but when it starts making sales. Conclusion: taking action on this advice will make a huge impact on your financial life. Start saving money. If you have not already, start making a budget and start saving for the future. Invest your money wisely. It is important to invest in what is most important to you. This can be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Build up an emergency fund. It is important to always have at least 3 months of living expenses saved up in case of an emergency.